Hello everyone, today in Sangee's Cookery we're going to see a snack item. This is nothing but the white peas vada. So you must have heard about different types of vada. Mostly the masala vada which is being made, it's usually made with chana dal. But this is a very different vada. It is made of white peas. I've actually learned this from my friend Raji who makes excellent vadas. So I thought I will share it with you all people. The best part of this vada is it remains crispy even if you're going to eat after half an hour or 1 hour. The usual chana dal vada, it's not going to be remaining crispy if it's going to be had after some time. But this is the difference and definitely you will try this. Let's go into the recipe. I've taken 1 cup of the yellow peas, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 to 4 green chilies finely chopped, 1 tablespoon grated ginger, 2 to 3 tablespoons of finely chopped onions, some coriander leaves and some curry leaves. First we need to soak the yellow peas in water for about 6 to 8 hours. This yellow peas is slightly yellow in color, especially after you soak in water, but in stores it's generally called as the white peas. First, after soaking for about 6 to 8 hours, I'm going to grind half of this into a smooth paste. This along with ginger and green chilies, a teaspoon of saunf. If you like this we are going to grind this into a smooth paste, and the remaining we are going to grind it into a coarse paste. Now we have the fine paste like this, and half I've coarsely ground like this. Now I'm going to mix both. I've also added the required amount of salt. Now to this I'll be adding some curry leaves and finely chopped coriander leaves. First let's give it a good mix. So I've just divided this into 2 portions basically because only 1 or 2 people will have onions, so that is why I added only 2 tablespoons of onions. But if you all like onions, I would suggest for this quantity you can add 2 big size onions finely chopped and you can mix it all together. So we're going to fry the peas vadas. I'm just taking a small portion. You take a small portion of vada, just nicely make a round ball and slightly you need to give it a press and add in the hot oil. After a few minutes you can just turn it around. This will be the proper consistency of the vada. Now the vadas have come to a nice crispy brown in color. Once it comes in this shape, you can take it out. This is similar to the chana dal vada. It is much more crispier than the chana dal vada. White peas vada is there, and this is going to be an excellent evening snack. And if you just grind the batter, and you can even grind the batter and keep it in the fridge, there is no problem about it. And immediately on rainy days or the weather, if there is a cold weather, you can simply make fast vadas. It doesn't have, only thing, if you're going to grind it and keep it in the fridge, please do not add salt because it will leave water. It's nice and crispy. I can break it and show it to you. See? So I hope you'll all try out this recipe, and if you like this recipe, give a thumbs up and please share it with your friends and relatives. Have a wonderful day.